This great man gave his life to his people and his country. He worked hard and he was very generous. He helped to make the UAE a great country. This great man was born in 1918 in Abu Dhabi and was the youngest of 4 sons. When he was born, the people were very poor. For many years, he lived in the desert. He spent time with the Bedouins to learn about how they lived. During his life, he did amazing things for the people and became an example for everyone. When he became ruler of Abu Dhabi, he built schools, houses, hospitals, and roads. He protected the desert and the animals that lived there. This great man didn't like hard rules. He said, a good Muslim is a friend to everyone because Islam is about peace. Can you guess who this great man is? Tell your friend 3 things that you have learned about this great man. You can make the notes first. Look at the text about Sheikh Zayed in your learner's book. Find the words in the text which mean someone who gives to others. Generous. Number 2, a place with sand and camels. Desert. Number 3, wonderful, amazing. Number 4, this tells you what you can or can't do. Rules. Now complete the gaps with 3 of these words. Number 1, on a safari, you can see amazing animals like zebras and tigers. Number 2, you can't use your mobile phone in class. That's a rule. Number 3, Sheikh Zayed was a very generous man. Complete these sentences about Sheikh Zayed with the linking words but, and, so, and because. Number 1, Sheikh Zayed worked hard because he wanted to help his people. Number 2, the people were poor so he built schools and houses. Number 3, Sheikh Zayed lived in the city but he loved life in the desert more. Number 4, Sheikh Zayed protected the desert and all the animals that lived there.
At the wheel of this car is a man torn between 2 worlds. He's an Arab sheikh who was born in an old Arabia and will die in a new one. He worships Allah, loves the desert, and is one of the richest men in the world. His name is Zayed. Zayed rules a little kingdom in Arabia called Abu Dhabi. 20,000 people in a stretch of sand and salt flats about half the size of Denmark. To the tribesmen who follow him everywhere, he's the undisputed boss.